Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Solana once again, and please join me into the Discord if you guys are new, and we can discuss about different coins out there. All right, so here we are, and we saw a lovely good pump with Bitcoin to the upside, but now I have turned on the Heiken Ashi from here, and there's one thing that I want to tell you: the Heiken Ashi is still printed a bearish candlestick on the weekly. That's not a good thing to actually see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring back the normal candlesticks, and from here all you did, in my opinion, is you broke out of this resistance point on the daily. So you break out of it, you go back to retest that area. So potentially 107 could be on the cards in order for us to go down, but I'm gonna give you a heads up that there is still like some sort of a double bottom potentially playing out, and you might never see Solana coming down and losing these levels. But at this point, wait for confirmations. Okay, yes, it's just a double bottom from a distance, but it's not actually a confirmed. There's no confirmed breakouts, and all you can see is that it's a wave to the downside, boom 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 boom, and then you continue just like that to the downside. So there is this 10 EMA on the daily restricting the prices, that 10 EMA right there, and then you're going to have the 20 restricting, and then you're going to have this line restricting. So there are few resistances for us to break in order for us to continue, which is going to be 10 and the 20, this line, the 55 on the daily, and this yellow line. Do this for me. Go to the 140 potentially, or the 139, backtest this $118. Wow, amazing. Then that would be absolutely golden for Solana. But unless you're not doing that, what are you doing? It's still a nice good downtrend to the downside. Last time people were expecting this double bottom to actually play out, and people are buying without confirmation, and look what happened next. Even right now you still have that double bottom potentially, but it's still not a confirmed move yet. Wait for those confirmations, then you move to the other side as well. And no big fancy stories, guys. I'm just looking at this 20 EMA trying to restrict the prices, and the 10 EMA trying to restrict the prices at this point of time. Of course, when you go down, you go in waveforms. It doesn't go down like this. You go down, make a push to the upside, and then you go down, make a push to the upside, and then go down. So it's just like that, okay? You go down, make a push to the upside, down, push to the upside, down, push to the upside, down, push to the upside, potentially down, push to the upside, and then you just continue in waveforms. So the downtrend is still in play. Nothing exciting, nothing good. Wait for confirmations. Always, this still is looking nasty. Just because you get 1-2 green candles doesn't mean it's okay. But of course, anything can be can come possible. Maybe you just might make this sideways movement like this, and then finally you break out and then continue. Okay, so that's just how it is. We're gonna be rolling the updates, and we're gonna analyze how the market looks like. It's just how the market behaves at certain times. If I do get some confirmation, we're gonna be buying, and there could be fake outs as well. Once you broke out here, you made a fake out there. You broke out, you made a fake out. So be careful about the fake outs as well in this space, because the same thing can repeat again. You break out, and then you make a fake out, and then continue to the downside as well. And that's it for Solana update today. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.